Under the leaden skies of October 1944, the First Army has breached the Siegfried Line to face the ultimate test within the ancient imperial city of Aachen. This is no longer the open country of France. This is a claustrophobic nightmare of urban warfare where the enemy has fanatically fortified every cellar and attic, turning the very rubble into a weapon against our boys. It is a grinding battle of attrition measured not in miles, but in bloody inches, requiring our rangers to sprint across kill zones exposed to withering sniper fire while the mud and debris cling to their weary boots. The air is choked with the acrid fog of war, a blinding mix of pulverized brick and cordite that burns the lungs, yet the squad presses forward with grim determination, clearing the ruins room by perilous room. Through the lens of this camera, you witness the raw and unvarnished reality of their sacrifice, the violent shaking of the frame as mortar shells land dangerously close, and the haunting silence that follows the chaos. Look closely at their faces, stained with grime and sweat. You will see the thousand-yard stare, a hollow look born from the horrors of close-quarters combat and the deafening roar of artillery. Though the city has finally fallen and the gateway to the fatherland has been kicked open, the cost is etched into the soul of every soldier who fought here. For while the swastika has been torn down from Aachen, the long, hard road to Berlin still lies ahead. This is the United States Signal Corps, reporting from the bleeding edge of the Western Front.